All right, so I want to talk to y'all real quick about how to let things, how to fix things, how to control stuff without controlling anything, right? How to control stuff without controlling anything, because in actuality you have no control. I'm gonna talk to you about how to control a situation by having no control of the situation, right? And it works like this. There's something called observer effect. Observer effect is a scientific method that has been proven empirically, meaning they've been studied, there's data, there's research, it's proven, right? I'm gonna give you lay term what it looks like. Let's say you want to check the air in your car tire. The device that you use to check the air in the car tire, the minute you implement the device, the minute you use the device to check to measure the air in the car tire, you're actually releasing air from the tire. That's observer effect. Observer effect says once a photon knows it's being observed, it changes its behavior. It changes its behavior. So the minute you interact, right, with the car tire to check the air in it, you're actually not going to get an accurate measurement of the air in the tire, because the very act of measuring the air releases some of the air. So you're never going to get an accurate measurement. Every time you measure the tire, you're going to release some of the air out of it. The very act changes the volume or the amount of air in the tire. That's observer effect in lay terms. Observer effect says once you interact with something, you actually change it. In scientific terms, it says once you interact with a photon, the photon changes its behavior from a particle to a wave, or vice versa, from a wave to a particle, and it's called the observer effect. Now, how do you use that in your everyday relationships with people, with business, whatever? Is knowing how to be still. The act of doing nothing is the act of doing something. It's an art to it. It's an art. It's not philosophy. It's physics. Because the difference between philosophy and physics is that physics is proven, right? Philosophy is abstract. Physics is actually empirical, meaning it's been studied, researched, and there's data, there's evidence to back it up. So the observer effect is not a philosophy, it's physics. And when you learn how to use that art of not acting, because that's what the observer effect is, the art of not acting. By not acting, you are acting. By having no control, you have control. By letting go, you control. By refusing to act, you are acting. By refusing to try and have control, you are controlling. It's an art to it. That's it. Observer effect. Look it up. Peace.